Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a business case study analysis step by step. Start by clarifying objectives, scope, and stakeholders so your work has purpose and direction. Next, pick a framework like SWOT, Porter, or a financial model to organize evidence. Gather qualitative and quantitative data and keep notes tied to decision criteria. That discipline saves time and makes your final recommendations actionable and persuasive. Gathering the right data makes or breaks a case study, so be thorough and practical about sources. Prioritize interviews, internal reports, and credible market research while noting any gaps. Cross-check figures and document assumptions like growth rates, cost baselines, and conversion metrics. Keep files organized by hypothesis so you can test each claim efficiently. Clean data helps you move faster from insight to recommendation with confidence and clarity. Combine numbers and narrative to tell a convincing story, using models to quantify impact and qualitative context to explain why. Test sensitivity of key assumptions and compare alternatives using consistent criteria. Rank options by expected value and feasibility, then build a concise implementation plan with milestones, owners, and estimated costs. Clear conclusions focused on decision criteria help stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.